Good morning. My name is Costantin from Charles Maund Toyota, Austin, Texas. I would like to introduce today one of our pre-owned vehicles, the Tesla Model S 85D. It's a fantastic vehicle, great features, state-of-the-art technology, the greatest vehicle in the market as a hybrid vehicle or electric vehicle. It have a smart technology. You don't have to use the keys at all. As soon as you approach the vehicle will recognize that you showed up. The handles will open up for you. As soon as you get in and sit down, the vehicle will start right away. And one thing you notice about the vehicle is super quiet, smooth ride. The vehicle is well balanced because of the distribution of the battery in it. If you look at the menu over here, you have a lot of options. You can change the suspension height, navigation. It's super easy and user-friendly. And the vehicle also have great safety features such as pre-collision sensors and backup camera. Over here on the screen, the vehicle can read the street. It can read what's around it. It can tell you what kind of vehicle, if it's a truck or a sedan in front of you. It will know the difference. If you see over here traffic ahead of me, and there you go, we're slowing down, it calculates for you everything. So they have the pre-collision that helps also stop the vehicle for you. And by the way, Tesla is not the only vehicle I have in my stock. I have about 300 used or pre-owned vehicles. I would like to invite you in to come and check out our inventory. Different makes and models. We have about 200 Toyotas. 25% of that inventory is CPO certified units. I'm super excited right now. Toyotathon is on. We have great incentives for you to take advantage of. Come and see me for that. My name is Costantin again. Would love to invite you in to go over anything or any questions. You can give me a call at any time you want. Our direct line is 512-458-2222. As for me, Costantin, Charles Maund Toyota, we'll take care of you as Charles Maund Toyota family.